Holy smokes, look how busy the dinghy dock is in Georgetown. I've never seen so many. There must be a banana sale going on here. Unbelievable. But I recognize this boat here. I think I met this guy last year. He hand-built this thing. And yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, that's his dinghy.
Welcome to Georgetown, located on the island of Great Exuma, with an approximate population of 8,000 people. Services in Georgetown include shops, restaurants, liquor stores, a gas station, insurance companies, churches, schools, a police station, and a hospital. Georgetown relies heavily on tourism as a source of income for its businesses and residents, and hosts an annual winter residents reception to welcome seasonal residents and boaters. Last year, John and I went to the reception. What a hoot. There were so many people there. The information they gave about Junkanoo, the food, the music was spectacular. We have already booked to go again this year. And it doesn't stop there. Georgetown and the surrounding area are expanding and growing, offering more amenities all the time. The cruising community here depends on Georgetown for a safe, protected harbor, a consistent supply of groceries, fresh water, and a cruising community always willing to help at the drop of a hat, because everything is broken on your boat, you just don't know it yet. Along with all of this, Great Exuma Island offers beautiful beaches, crystal clear water, wonderful sandbars, and fantastic fishing. We're almost there. Perfect. Okay.
Okay, that's how we do it. We pinch pennies and save money by rowing. Sandy gets to yell at me as we do it. That's what she likes to do. Now, did you notice that as she was saying port and starboard, I wasn't paying attention to her? That's hilarious. Okay, development's happening here at the base of Monument. They're building a bar here, but I mean, like, holy Christ, it looks like they're building a Walmart parking lot. I mean, that's enough. And but our name, Navicula, is still intact for now. Okay, and you can see that from the top of the monument, the salt monument. This was a salt pond. Now they're covering it up and building a restaurant here with this bulldozer and whatnot. And what happens is that's development. Now, everybody's all about you know, the environment and saving the environment, but this bulldozer is destroying everything. But anyways, that's what happens. It's not my rules. I got, you know, it's their rules. Anyways, hopefully it'll remain intact here forever, and that would be great. But boy, they pushed a lot. They brought a lot of rock in. Wow. Well, I really don't know. It looks like they're building a whole development here. I don't know why they need so much, but okay, we are on our morning walk again. It's late though. It's 9 o'clock morning walk. But here we are. The sand here, the sand is beautiful. Listen guys, it's calming down. This is the ocean side. Whoa! There's a lot of force there. The water's warming up. Oh yeah. We are going for a big walk. Woo! It's nice. Listen, if I'm telling you the water's warm, it's warm for most people, because I'm a suck or cold water. I hate cold water. You won't see me doing a polar plunge or what are them cold baths that people are doing. Negative. That's not going to happen unless it's an accident. Communication on a boat is a big deal. Communication between each other is a big deal, guys. Yeah, you got to say things clearly. Like, especially me, I do have a hearing disability. It's a fact. Okay, that I need hearing aids. I have hearing aids. I don't need them. I have them, but they're not waterproof. I can't go swimming with them, and so I don't use them down here. I don't use them at home either. The hearing issue is when there's lots of other things going on, like let's say, you know, I'm at a wedding or, you know, that's all the, you know, in groups of people, like, you got to speak clear, that's all. I've just gotta, you gotta speak, like, you know, you can't talk to me. Here's a perfect example. When we're in the car and Sandy talks to the window of the car and says, look over here. No, you have to talk to me and say, look at me in the eye and say, look over here, and I'll look over there. I mean, it's, anyways, that's my own problem. Sandy has her problem too. I'm sure Sandy has a hearing deficiency as well. I'm positive. And you know what? Most males that have been married for almost 40 years are going to agree with me that their wives are hearing impaired. Yeah, absolutely. Now, I think Sandy's hearing problem though, she doesn't want to hear me. She doesn't want to hear me at all. So, wow, it's just beautiful. You guys, I cannot capture what I'm seeing here right now. It's stunning. Anyways, so when we're on a boat, communication is a big deal. You know, I mean, there's lots of things going on, and we have to be clear with each other. And if we can't do that, we're gonna end up on the rocks. We're gonna make a mistake that'll cause injury, and that's not what we want. We're both at fault. We both have issues. Sandy's more at fault than me, of course. That may be another issue I have. Yeah. Guys, so here we go. Sandy's at the library. Sandy likes to read. What kind of books do you like to read, dear?
Thriller, mystery, CIA, FBI stuff.
Okay, so she likes to read fantasy things. Now, you already live a fantasy life.
Right.
So we're at the book exchange here. Library's closed today. It's Saturday. So how many books did you leave, dear?
I have 2 I'm leaving.
2. So Sandy will leave 2 and she'll take 6. That's the way she rolls.
Well, if there's anything that I want, if not, then I won't be taking anything.
Why can't you just read a boating manual or something? That'd be a lot more helpful. She's not even paying attention to me. Welcome to my world. What a great thing though, these book exchanges. I mean, it's just fabulous. People, and Sandy does this a lot, even at home. That's kind of really cool. That's why retailers are going out of business, because of people like her. She disturbs everything, touches everything, and doesn't buy anything.
Just want to make sure I don't miss one, that's all.